Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is ABCD is a trapezium with sides AB and CD being parallel to each other. If P and Q are the midpoints of the diagonals of this trapezium, then which of the following statement is true? Here, you can draw the trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD. Then here P and Q are the midpoints of the diagonal. Suppose P is the midpoint of the diagonal AD and Q is the midpoint of the diagonal CB. Join this picture. Now, as we know that the theorem, the line segment joining the midpoints of the diagonals of a trapezium is parallel to each of the parallel side of trapezium. Parallel side and is equal to half of the difference of these sides. So, as the line joining the midpoints is PQ, so it is parallel to AB. This is first statement. And as it is equals to half of the difference of these sides, means 1/2 AB minus CD. Hence, statement D means PQ is parallel to AB and PQ equals to AB minus CD by 2 is correct. Means our correct option is option D.